Hello there, and this is my second pocket sketchbook, and I think this is should be at least part six of it, but I'm probably not gonna even leave it in the title because I've been using like actual AI title descriptions for Video IQ to that's why my second pocket sketchbook. So I'm just gonna start off where I left off to the last video, and this kangaroo character, and I actually have a total of 30 drawings this time, so this video might be longer than expected. Yeah, this is my second pocket sketchbook. The second one. I'm gonna start. And this is Joshua from Scrappy Discovery building a robot. Using this drill to build a robot and stuff. Because he's like an inventor, like mechanic and stuff. He probably would be on BioBots if he was. Because, I've been watching a lot of BioBots lately, and that show's really fun to watch and stuff. Having like mechanics and engineers build their own robots and have them fight. I mean, it's been a thing since the 90s, but it hasn't really gained popularity until now, until it reached the Discovery Channel. So, yeah. He'd be kind of guy who like build like a very bulky like BioBots. It's kind of like what he's building there. Yeah. This Vicky the squirrel. She's wearing like shorts this time. I wanted to draw her with different poses, with more poses this next time, but trying to learn more anatomy. I'm trying to learn like better anatomy, so I'm able to draw her in different poses and stuff. Yeah, this time she's wearing shorts. I want to be able to draw her in different clothes as well. Maybe longer pants, maybe a hoodie, or maybe like a long dress, like a longer dress and stuff. Yeah. Here's Sarah the wrestler and her husband Pat the Pummler. They're married. The wrestler couple, wrestler married couple, from Alien Defender comic that I have on DeviantArt. He's Pat the Pummler is a very like old character from my last channel because I did animations of him on my last channel. And it's a very funny story how my channel got deleted, but I'm probably just going to leave it just that. Yeah. I think I already told the story on my other Sketchbook tour videos, but yeah. Here's Bree, the moth from Karate Bugs, who ends up becoming taken over by the mushrooms and stuff, the parasitic mushrooms. I still want to be able to include her in the story later on. I will be making more Karate Bugs episodes later, and hopefully I'll be able to involve Bree in more of the story as well. So I just don't want to kill her off just that, because, it'd be kind of sad. And this is a jackalope, mythical creature, a jackalope. Here's Brutus from Karate Bugs. He's like a sensei pose. And here's a sea turtle, because I like sea turtles. The marine reptiles. And sea turtles. There's plenty of them in St. Croix, I think. Here is Candy from Cat Island Adventures, cat girl character. Cat Island Adventures, the Cat Island Adventures comic. Maybe I should do like a Cat Island Adventures comic dub of my comic on YouTube as well. I'm going to include that as well. I probably already did it, but it's a dog girl character. Like a cute, sweet dog girl character. Here is Luna the Vampire Bat from Werewolf, doing his different poses and stuff. She's winking at you guys. And here is a tiger from Kyle Adventures as well, ready to pounce on someone. Ready to pounce on his prey, pretty much. Not someone, that'll be kind of rude. Here's the Goblin Girl with different hairstyle. A Goblin Girl character. I'm trying out different hairstyles as well, so including this ponytail upward ponytail. Yeah, I'm trying to include different hairstyles as well for my characters, so it's not just the same thing all the time. There's some robot characters that probably we'll see on BattleBots as well. Yeah, robot characters. I have been making this I have been trying to learn how to code this video game called MediBots Arena, where it's this RPG battle game that you have to battle robots all at once, and you're able to select a character. You're able to select a robot character, and you have to battle like an RPG gauntlet battle all time to the boss character. Yeah, I want to learn how to code a video game so I'm able to upload to Newgrounds, and hopefully I'll get those on Newgrounds. Yeah, it's called MediBots Arena, and I only as far as I able to make it, I only got into the like a tile screen, how to function the tile screen. I haven't really gotten to like the actual gameplay yet. I haven't really learned how to code the gameplay yet. I mean, there are tutorials online how to code an RPG game on Godot, so I'm hoping that maybe we'll actually learn better that this time. Yeah, here's I think it's Dustin. Yeah, Dustin, Kevin or Dustin. I think his name's Dustin, the MMA fighter. I mean, I have so many characters I don't remember all their names. So yeah, especially the ones I usually don't draw or animate as much. I think this is Dustin. Dustin's training. He's an MMA fighter. Here is here's Belle, bounty hunter from Copy Discovery, doing like the woman doing like I think the feminist pose that you see in feminist posters in the 60s and stuff. Yeah. Doing like this girl power pose. Yeah, that's what it is. Girl power pose. Woman power. I don't know. Feminism back then is so much different than it is now. Yeah, because they're actually pushing women's rights back then, unlike nowadays. Yeah. Here's the Moon the cat from Cat Adventures as well. The hoodie in the back right here. Yeah, cute cat girl character with the hoodie and stuff. Her design was inspired by Tao Kaka from inspired by Tao Kaka from Blaze Blue. That yeah, that's inspired for this design because you know Tao Kaka is a cat hoodie cat girl. Here's an alien character, alien martial arts character who was inspired by Piccolo from Dragon Ball Z. He looks more like a goblin than an alien, but yeah, kind of looks like Piccolo as well from Dragon Ball Z. That's what the inspiration for the design was. Here's a dragon character, you know, European dragon, the mythical creature and stuff. I like drawing this character a lot, mostly. This is a simple dragon design. Here is a CR4 or Chris from Scrappy Discovery as well. You know, robot character. His design was inspired by Bishop from Pokemon, because Bishop is one of my favorite Pokemon. I don't know, because when I was like going in high school, when I was taking drawing classes, I played a lot of Pokemon Black and White, and I had this Bishop that will destroy everything on the opponent's team, especially during the Elite Four and stuff. Yeah, you're very helpful at the end of the game. So that's when it came the inspiration for this design. Inspired by Bishop from Pokemon. Here's a werewolf or super werewolf. Yeah, a werewolf character. Kind of like the mythical creatures that way too. Here is Blade from Karate Bugs, the Mantis character. Out of the four fighters, that Master Arts has to train, I was planning on making Blade the most skillful fighter of the group, but that time I actually go to Abby the bee, which I'm going to show you guys shortly now. Because, you know, Abby can fly and stuff, so she has, like, an advantage over Blade in terms of fighting and stuff. Here's a mouse lady character, or a mouse girl character. A mouse lady, the cute mouse lady. Here is like a deer character in a mountain landscape, well, nature and stuff. I mean, the ground looks generic, the generic ground background. I mean, the background looks amazing, but the ground doesn't. So, yeah, yeah. I guess it's supposed to be like a salmon. This fish right here, it's supposed to be like a fish, but I end up like a salmon or something like that. But I end up doing it like terribly. Here's a deer character right here, a reindeer. Here's like a turtle whose shell takes up most of his body. I used to like drawing these type of drawings, some of weird looking drawings. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's weird looking drawings. Yeah, turtle shell, kind of like a Koopa. Would you guys consider this a Koopa from Super Mario Brothers? You know, Koopa like a spiked shell and stuff. You know, Mario has to avoid this one because he has a large shell and stuff. He can still attract in his shell despite how large it is, but it's kind of heavy to lift himself up from the when he retracts and stuff. So he's a dragon queen character who rules over the other kingdoms, the elves, goblins, and orcs. She rules over the entire land with dragons and characters. Yeah, dragon lady character. It's like a queen. I did draw like a queen, like a dragon queen before, but it didn't look as good as this one right here. So I'm trying to improve on the design a little bit. The dragon queen. Here's a porcupine character. It's porcupine. Here's a frog character, who I also drew in karate books as well, who ends up being taken over by the mushrooms as well. Because I think the parasitic mushrooms or the fungi also affect frogs as well. So he ended up taking over the frog in like I think Brutus Blade and Abby has to fight the frog in like episode 4 of Karate Bugs, where they meet the queen bee, who turns out to be Abby's mom, and Brutus was shocked. And speaking of Abby, there she is, Abby the Bee from Karate Bugs. Abby the Bee. Yeah. Most of the story's been mostly been about her, at least the beginning part of it. It's mostly been about her and stuff. Cause she struggled with the training and reviving early and stuff. She has busy priorities and stuff. And here's a dragon character, kind of like Dragonite from Pokemon, but still with those spikes, his horns, and the dragon head. And here, Abby again. Yep, and that's it. This is a total of 30 drawings that I made. I hope you guys like it. I mostly drew the same characters. Well, most of the same characters. I do have some new drawings here, but I mostly drew the same characters as well. Yeah. Next time I have 30 drawings, I'm probably going to do another recording as well. And lead you guys with another update. It turns out that adding a bunch of tags to my titles and videos don't actually work. So I'm probably just gonna leave it just like that. And my titles are kind of generic, so I'm using AI to come up with titles for my videos and stuff. Probably gonna use this for this video as well. So yeah. I mean, AI can be a good tool depending on who you ask and stuff. I used to I don't use AI for art, but I use it for like my videos, come with tags and titles for my videos and stuff. Not so much the art stuff, because AI art is kind of similar to what Flash was for cartoons. Flash was basically the tool for cartoons, which is often looked down upon compared to hand drawn cartoons. It's the same thing for AI art. Yeah, people prefer like hand drawing art because it actually takes some work and stuff. But AI is basically just a tool, just like Flash. So it's basically no different than drawing a pencil and picking a pencil and drawing like that. I basically don't see no difference to either. So yeah, it maybe depends on who you ask. So there's very good AI art and very bad AI art, and just like there's good Flash animation and bad Flash animation. I guess in hand-drawn animation will look good regardless of who you ask and stuff. The more traditional stuff, because I'm more of a traditional artist, and I'm just randomly gone to extend the time of this video, and that's it. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, let us see more, and that's it.